Hello, good morning, children. Today we are going to go with the new topic, that is subtraction story problem. So far, we have just dealt with subtraction with regrouping, subtraction without regrouping, and this time we are going to deal with your exercise 3.3, that is story problem. How we need to understand the word problem and how to solve them, we'll just discuss few steps here. If you just see the first one, I have taken a problem. If you can read the question from your textbook, that is the A1. Tina's family traveled 38,000 kilometers. Sorry, it is a meter. Okay. Tina's family traveled 38,000 meter by train and 14,250 meter by bus. How many more meters did they travel by train than by bus? See, simple concept. First step is to write what is given in the problem. So I have written here given. What is given in the problem, that the Tina's family traveled by train how much? 38,000. And by they traveled by the bus, that is how much? 14,250. I have to write in such a way that there I can write a place value on top of it to understand how to solve. This place value gives us a clear image of the answer and its place value. Fine. And 0 minus 0 will be 0. Then here it is 0. That's why I'm borrowing 1 from here. So this 0 stands for again 10. So this becomes 9. And 10 minus 5 is nothing but 5. 9 minus 2 is again 7. Again we need to borrow from here because it is a 0. So if you are considering 10 here, this 8 will become 7. So 7 minus 4 is 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So your answer is 23,750 meter. Hence they traveled 23,750 meter more compared to bus. This is how you're going to solve your story problem of the subtraction. We need to understand the statement, children, first, and then we need to write the given part. So I've taken the second one as well to explain you once again. Anita has 9,800, but she wants to buy a scooter for 27,350. How much more money does she need? See, we need to understand here the cost of the scooter is given as what? 27,350. And what amount Anita has is 9,800 rupees. So when I just write in terms of place value and start subtracting here, okay, subtraction sign. So 0 minus 0 is again 0. 5 minus 0 is again 5. Here 3 is less than 8. So 1 I am carrying from 7, which will give you as 6. And 1 and 3 becomes your 13. And 13 minus 8 will give you 5. The same thing again, 6 is less than 9. So I am taking 1 from this 2. So 1 and 6 will become 16. And 16 minus 9 will give me 7. And this 1 will remain as it is, as there is no number to subtract with the 1. So my answer is 17,550 rupees. So Anita needs 17,550 rupees more to buy the scooter. So this is how you're going to solve 3.3 exercise. First you're going to read the problem. Second, you're going to write the sentences in the statement wise what is given. You're going to write the numbers, subtract it, get the answer, and you're going to write the statement. At the last conclusion part also you need to write that what is the question they have, that in terms of that you're going to express your answer and complete this problem. I hope this concept is clear and you will try to solve your exercise 3.3. Thank you. If you have any doubt, children, do ask me in the class group. Thank you.